Welcome. In this video, I will tell you whether Xiaomi G27Qi gaming monitor has built-in speakers. So the simple answer is no, this monitor doesn't feature any built-in speakers. However, it does have a 3.5 mini jack port, which is located at the bottom of the monitor, and you can actually plug in a pair of headphones or any other audio device that you want to use with your monitor, and then you'll also be able to regulate the sound volume using your monitor settings. To do that, you have to simply press the joystick button located right here on the right side, then drag it to the right, scroll down to System, and here, if you go to the System menu, scroll down to Volume, and in the following menu you'll be able to adjust the volume level of your monitor, or rather of the audio device connected to your monitor. So if you have a pair of passive speakers and you connect them using 3.5 port, which I'm not sure is possible, but if you do, you'll be able to adjust the speaker's volume right from here. To exit this menu, drag your joystick to the left. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.